broadcasting to you now from Elias Color. I'm here to inform you about the climate change video produced by ABC News about the ice caps melting, which is leaving walruses without homes. We need to make a change by turning our lights off. If we don't, walruses will become extinct. Here's the video. Here, we see these poor walruses cramming together on the tops of these rocks. The ice caps are melting, leaving them without a home. We can help by turning lights and taps off while they aren't in use and throwing away rubbish to keep our environment clean. On top of the rocks, the space is limited and some end up falling off the rocks, plunging into the ocean.
Unbelievable. We don't do that stuff. That's crazy. Why did they put that stuff on laptops? That's silly. What? I don't want any of your stupid raffle tickets. What? What is it? Talk. Why do you get to play that video game?
You need to know. This is such a junkyard.
You think this is a junkyard? I can be more junky.
You know what plastic is doing to the walruses? It's killing them.
You mean this rubbish?
Why did you just hit me?
I actually want to listen. I want to believe in the witch.
Are you sure that's what you want?
Like, I want to believe.
Yeah, right.
Where did she go?
Mickey, come on. You'll be fine, Mickey.
You're trying to give up now, so I see.
Yes.
How did I get here?
Well, let's see.
I think we should listen.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Bravo! Our planet is saved, thanks to the witch. If you guys don't want to know how you guys can help, you guys can just do this.
Fine.